So in today's video, we are going to be making some DIY sleep still Christmas signs using sublimation and using some metal panels. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's just jump into this video. We're going to start by prepping our projects. I'm going to do two different designs. One, you've seen how I did this. One is just very simple snowflakes tree that makes up the numbers. Another one, you write the numbers here. These are super easy to do. You can make one for your kids. Each one can have, like, your kids can have one in their rooms and stuff. And you can use a dry erase marker to, you know, write the dates and stuff. So with these, you want to make sure that you peel off the plastic. There's going to be a film on it. That's to keep it from having dust. So you want to make sure you peel that off. And you can just stick your nail in one corner and peel it off. Make sure there's no dust and stuff on it. And then we're just going to flip it. You want that white part, that's the part you're going to sub on. You want that to be facing your design. So just use your hand, wipe off any dust on your design and your metal piece. Okay, so I'm just going to flip it and put it down, and then you're going to take some heat tape. If you have a heat tape dispenser, you can just, sorry, I'm just trying to even it out a bit. You can take it, put it in the middle so it can be like a weight, and then you can just tape your design down all the way around. And it's good to go. So now I'm going to put this to the side and I'm going to get my other one. And again, you want to make sure you peel the film off. I realized that I made this design a little too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut. We're going to just wing it here. We're going to cut a little bit right here. And I'm just going to tape it down on this blue like that, just moving it down so that it all fits on my thing. That's fine for me. And then I'm just going to take some tape and I'm going to tape it on the sides, making sure that I don't get it on my design. And I'm going to gently bring that tape to the back. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to tape that paper right there so that it doesn't shift on me. Just taping all along that seam right there. And now my design should fit. Just making sure there's no dust. I'm going to take my metal and I'm going to place it down. I'm okay with that tip of that star not being on here. Is not the end of the world for me, as long as everything else is on here. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my tape dispenser as a weight, and I'm just gonna start taping it all over. And it was easy for me to just cut it and move it down like that because it's a solid color. There's no pattern or anything. So it just, when I sub, it should just seem like one seamless pattern. Like you shouldn't be able to tell that I did that. So now we have both of these taped down. Now we can take them to the heat press to press them. So I'm gonna put some butcher paper underneath to help protect it. Protect my mat from any of the bleeding from like the surrounding getting onto my mat. I'm gonna put these on. I can do both of them at the same time, but I'm probably gonna have to, my pressure is gonna be off. So I'm gonna put them down with the paper side facing up. And then I'm putting some butcher paper on top because I'm using A-sub paper, so I need paper on top or else it can get onto my heat press, which we don't want. So you want to make sure you have good pressure for this, which I know I'm going to have to. I'm going to do it for 60 seconds, 385 degrees for 60 seconds. You want to make sure you use gloves for this because this is metal. It's going to be really, really hot at first. It cools down fairly quickly, but it's going to be really, really hot at first. So I'm going to take out my butcher paper. I'm going to lift up one corner to see if it's soft. And then this is my paper. Do the same for both of them. So cute. You want to set these aside to let them cool down. And then you want to throw away your butcher paper that was in the bottom because it's going to have some bleeding and you don't want to use that for your next project. So these turned out much cuter than I thought they were going to turn out. You can leave them just like this and just use a dry erase marker and circle. If you did one like this, circle it and erase it. Or you can put it in like a picture frame. That way it has like a little stand. And then you can draw on that, on the glass part. But they turned out much, much cuter than I had expected them to turn out. And I think these would be nice to like make one for each of your kids' rooms. You can make it say anything you want, like sleeps till Santa comes or whatever you want. But these are really cute and I love how they turned out. I'll have these metal panels linked down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you want to, you can, I have a Patreon. It's only like $2 a month and you can support my channel. Once in a while, I'll be doing some freebies on there. And thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.